In this video, we are going to see how we can turn on or turn off the Google Chrome Safe Search option. So let's get started. First of all, we are on the main screen. Just open up google.com and just search for anything basically. I'll search my name for Upskill-Education. So here it is. Let's write YouTube with it. And here it is. Okay. So if we want to make some settings after that, what we want to do is just go to this account option and just scroll all the way down to the safe search option, and it says blurring is on. Let's click on it and we can completely turn it off. We can help filter out some images or some text. So let's say that we want to turn it on or turn it off. Here is where you can make all of the changes in it. So let's go back and let's check again. Click on the safe search, and as you can see on the top as well, it shows the message of that it is turned off. And that's pretty much it. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel, and I will see you in the next one.